Welcome to our roundup of the best action cameras. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, content creator, or just looking to capture high-quality footage on the go, we've selected top models that deliver exceptional video quality, durability, and ease of use. We'll explore each camera's features, including video resolution, battery life, stabilization, and waterproofing, to help you find the perfect device for your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for the best deals. Let's dive in and discover the ultimate action camera for you. The first one on our list is the GoPro Hero 13 Black, a perfect choice for adventurers, vloggers, and creators who need exceptional video quality combined with unmatched durability. Its special feature is that it works with new HB series lenses, which help you create professional-looking videos with cool effects like motion blur or cinematic shots. Also, it records videos in 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. This means your videos will look super clear and smooth, even during fast movements. It's perfect for capturing action or creating slow-motion effects. It also takes 27-megapixel photos, so your pictures will look sharp and detailed. And this camera is tough and ready for all kinds of adventures. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can use it for diving or water sports without any extra gear. It also comes with an enduro battery that lasts longer, even in extreme weather conditions. This means you can record for a longer time without worrying about the battery dying. Another great feature is the Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, which keeps your videos steady even if you're running or biking. You can track GPS data like speed and altitude, which is pretty cool for real-time overlays. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6, transfers are way faster. You get auto edits and unlimited cloud backups in full quality. Plus, it can automatically upload your footage to the cloud. This saves you time and space on your phone or computer. I think the only small issue is that the magnetic mount can be hard to clean, but overall, it's a great camera for anyone who loves adventure or creating videos. Second on our list is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This camera is for people who love adventure, vlogging, or capturing amazing moments on the go. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 records videos in 8K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second. This means your videos will look clear and smooth, whether you're filming fast action or beautiful landscapes. It also handles light and shadows very well, so every shot looks professional. Plus, it has two AI chips. One chip improves the quality of images by reducing noise, and the other makes the camera run faster. Because of this, you get sharp and bright videos, even in low-light conditions. For night or dim settings, the camera's AI works to brighten the shot and keep all the details. Yes, the sound is also great. The camera has a wind guard that blocks wind noise during outdoor shoots. This is perfect for activities like riding motorcycles or recording in windy places. The flip screen is easy to use. You can see your shots, adjust settings, or record selfies even in bright sunlight. It is strong and won't break easily. The stabilization feature ensures your videos stay smooth, even during movement. Sharing videos is also simple. The camera's AI editing picks the best moments and sends you ready to share clips in the app. It's waterproof and works in cold weather, so it's great for any adventure. The only downside is that it has no built-in storage, so you need a memory card. But with all its features, this camera is a fantastic choice. Next, we have the Akaso Brave 8 Lite, a budget-friendly action camera that is perfect for adventurers, vloggers, or anyone who wants high-quality photos and videos. It records videos in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second and takes 20-megapixel photos. This means your videos and pictures will look very clear, colorful, and full of detail. It also has built-in stabilization, so your videos stay smooth even if you are running, biking, or doing any fast activity. You don't need extra equipment to keep your footage steady, which is really convenient. Also, the camera is very durable and waterproof. You can use it underwater up to 33 feet without any extra case, which is great for swimming or snorkeling. And guys, it has two screens, one on the front and one on the back. The front screen is helpful for selfies or vlogging, while the back screen is a touchscreen that makes it easy to control the camera. It also has a wide-angle lens, so you can capture more in one shot, like landscapes or group activities. You can switch between portrait and landscape modes quickly, which is useful for different types of shots. Overall, this camera is excellent for the price. The only downside is its poor internal audio, but the great video quality, smooth stabilization, and durability make it a solid choice, especially if you're on a budget. On number 4, we have the Insta360 GO 3S. It is great for people who love making videos on the go, whether for vlogging, capturing action, or filming creative shots like pet POVs. Its unique feature is its size. It's tiny and lightweight, weighs only 1.4 ounces, but it still gives high-quality 4K videos. It captures hands-free POV shots, and its wide-angle lens helps you take smooth and clear footage. It comes with an Action Pod, which has a flip screen so you can see what you are filming. The Action Pod also works as a remote control and gives up to 140 minutes of battery life. You can charge the camera while using it, which is helpful for long shoots. The camera also has flow state stabilization. This keeps your videos steady, even if you are running or filming on bumpy ground. Its magnetic design and accessories make it easy to attach the camera to surfaces or wear it to record unique angles. It is waterproof too, so you can use it in water without worry. It works up to 10 meters deep, but if you use the dive case, you can go even deeper. Also, the camera is easy to use, with gesture and voice controls that let you film without touching it. It also has an auto-editing feature, which finds the best parts of your video and matches them with music, making them ready to share. I think this is a great camera for its features. The only downside is the non-expandable storage, but its size, quality, and ease of use make it a great choice for creators. Next up, we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a fantastic choice for adventurers and creators alike. It's easy to use and has advanced features that make it stand out. This camera features a 1/1.3-inch sensor that performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions. It records clear and bright videos, even in the evening or at night. It also shoots in 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, so you can make smooth, slow-motion videos. This is great if you like capturing action scenes. One of the best things about this camera is its 360 degrees horizon steady. It keeps your videos steady even if you are moving a lot. It also has 2 OLED touchscreens, so you can see what you're filming or check your videos easily. The screens are bright and work well outside too. Moreover, the camera has enhanced subject tracking, which means the camera can automatically follow and focus on things that are moving, so they stay sharp and clear in your video. For sound, it has a DJI microphone connection, which records clear audio. You can also use the DJI Mic 2 transmitter without extra equipment. This feature lets the camera record sound wirelessly from the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, saving you from using a separate receiver. Plus, the battery lasts up to 4 hours, so you can record for a long time without charging. That's super helpful for outdoor trips or long activities. The only downside is the DJI Mimo app, which isn't as good as GoPro's app. But the camera's steady footage, sharp screens, and great sound make up for it. Last but not least, we have the Insta360 X4. Its most unique feature is the invisible selfie stick effect, which makes your videos look like they were filmed by a drone. So, it records 360 degrees videos in sharp 8K resolution. It captures every detail and makes your videos look colorful and clear. The camera keeps your footage steady and straight using flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock. You can also switch to a wide-angle mode to record 4K videos with a super-wide 170 degrees view, which is great for capturing big landscapes or action shots. With this camera, you don't need to worry about getting the perfect angle while filming. You can shoot freely and adjust the angles later using the Insta360 app. It's simple and saves time. Plus, the camera is tough and durable, with removable lens guards that protect it during rough adventures. It is waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can take it underwater without a case. If you need to go deeper, you can use the optional dive case. Also, this camera works well even in freezing temperatures, down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Its battery lasts for up to 135 minutes, so you can shoot for a long time, and it charges quickly. And the 2.5-inch touchscreen, made with Gorilla Glass, is strong and easy to use. However, sometimes you need to be careful about the seam in 360 degrees videos. But overall, the Insta360 X4's great quality, stabilization, and AI features make it one of the best action cameras you can get. You got it. So that's it for the best action cameras in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.